The Jaguar F-Pace lineup, from the entry model all the way to the legendary V8-powered beast. First up is the P250 R-Dynamic S, the entry point into the Jaguar luxury SUV experience. But calling this a base model might be misleading, because even this trim delivers the kind of design and driving experience Jaguar is known for. Under the hood sits a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 246 horsepower. Performance numbers? 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.9 seconds. Top speed, roughly 135 miles per hour. Now, those numbers may not sound extreme, but this SUV was designed to provide smooth power and refined comfort. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, ensuring stability and confidence in almost any driving condition. But what really stands out is the design. Jaguar's styling philosophy is simple: luxury with athletic elegance. The R-Dynamic package adds sportier bumpers, black exterior accents, larger alloy wheels, distinctive grille styling. Inside the cabin, the luxury becomes obvious. Drivers get a large 11.4-inch curved touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, digital driver display, and premium leather seats. The interior is clean, modern, and very comfortable, exactly what you'd expect from a British luxury brand. This trim is perfect for buyers who want a luxury SUV with strong style, comfort, and respectable performance without going into the higher price brackets. But here's the interesting part. Even though this is the entry model, it still drives like a Jaguar, balanced, refined, and quietly confident. But what happens when you add 150 more horsepower to this SUV? Well, that's where the next trim changes the entire personality of the vehicle. Let's move to the powerful P400 version. If the P250 is about balance, the P400 R-Dynamic S is about performance with sophistication. Under the hood is a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology. This engine produces around 395 horsepower. That's a massive jump compared to the entry model. Acceleration improves dramatically. 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.1 seconds. Top speed around 155 miles per hour. This trim feels much more energetic. The inline-six engine is incredibly smooth, and the mild hybrid system helps deliver power more efficiently. Drivers also benefit from adaptive dynamic suspension, which automatically adjusts the vehicle's suspension depending on road conditions and driving style. What does that mean in real driving? When cruising on the highway, the ride feels comfortable and stable, but when driving aggressively on winding roads, the SUV becomes more responsive and sporty. That dual personality is exactly what makes the P400 such an appealing choice. Interior features remain luxurious, but with additional upgrades such as improved sound system, premium interior materials, and enhanced driving technology. For many buyers, this trim represents the perfect middle ground between luxury and performance. You get significantly more power without sacrificing comfort. And honestly, this is often considered the sweet spot of the lineup. But what if you love the performance of the P400 and want even more luxury inside the cabin? That's where the next trim completely transforms the experience. Let's step inside the HSE version. The P400 R-Dynamic HSE is where the Jaguar F-Pace starts to feel like a true executive luxury SUV. Mechanically, it uses the same powerful 395 horsepower inline-six engine found in the previous trim, so performance remains strong. 0 to 60 in roughly 5 seconds, top speed around 155 miles per hour. But the main difference here is comfort and technology. Jaguar focused on transforming the interior into something closer to a luxury lounge on wheels. Key upgrades include Windsor leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, head-up display projecting information on the windshield, premium Meridian sound system. The cabin feels noticeably more upscale. Materials are softer, the sound system is richer, and the overall driving environment becomes quieter and more refined. Long highway trips become incredibly comfortable. Driver assistance technology also improves. This trim includes advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and surround view cameras. In simple terms, the HSE version turns the F-Pace into a luxury grand touring SUV. It's designed for drivers who want performance without sacrificing comfort and sophistication. For families or professionals who spend a lot of time on the road, this trim delivers an excellent combination of speed, luxury, and technology. But even with all that comfort and power, there is still one trim left. And this final version transforms the Jaguar SUV into something truly unexpected. Something loud, something aggressive, something powered by a supercharged V8. Now we arrive at the top of the lineup, the F-Pace SVR 575 edition. This is not just another trim, it's a high-performance machine engineered by Jaguar's Special Vehicle Operations Division. Under the hood lies a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine producing around 575 horsepower. That kind of power turns this luxury SUV into a true performance monster. Acceleration numbers are impressive. 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.8 seconds, top speed around 178 miles per hour. For comparison, those numbers are similar to many high-end sports cars. But the SVR is not only about speed. It also features a performance-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and a specially designed sport exhaust system. And that exhaust sound is one of the most thrilling aspects of this vehicle. The deep roar of the supercharged V8 reminds drivers that Jaguar still knows how to build emotional performance cars. Exterior styling also becomes more aggressive. Larger air intakes, quad exhaust pipes, performance wheels, and unique SVR badging. Inside the cabin, the sporty theme continues with performance seats, aluminum interior trim, and SVR branding. Despite the incredible performance, the SVR still maintains luxury features such as premium leather and advanced technology. In other words, it combines sports car excitement with SUV practicality. For enthusiasts, this trim represents the ultimate Jaguar SUV experience. So, the 2026 Jaguar lineup may be smaller than in the past, but every trim of the Jaguar F-Pace offers a distinct personality. Together, they represent the final chapter of Jaguar's petrol-powered era before the brand moves completely into electric vehicles. And that makes these SUVs more than just luxury cars. They are part of automotive history.